Yeah, so what we are showing today is a long dansiki, and what I've done so far is I cut it just, I've cut the shoulder just the way we usually cut our native. I slice it. I mean, the shoulder is slant, you know, just like our native, our senators wear or whatever, or our shirt. So that's what I've done so far. I'm yet to cut out the sleeve and all that. So and there's a arc. Just I'm trying to experiment, Yeah. So instead of sewing this side like this, I use gum stay. I use gum stay to hold this side. And the reason is I just want to limit the sewing on these the stitches on this part of the outfit. So that's why I use gum stay to hold this side. This is the shoulder. So now we just toss stitch it afterwards. So that's what I'm doing next. Yeah, so just like I said, I want to limit the stitching on this outfit. That's what made me to use hemigon. You know, assuming I didn't use hemigon, we have like two stitches here, which I don't want. So you can see we only have one stitch. You know? So that's the essence. But then, if you don't mind, you can do your own. You can make your own double stitches. So after joining the borders together, I want to give it shape now. You know, so the shoulder is I'm using 18. Now the sleeve, you know, just use your I mean the normal sleeve that you usually use, probably for your 3/4, or if you want it shorter. So I'm using 3/4 sleeve for this, which is 16. 16. 16. 16. So the whiteness will be around 15. 15. So with our sleeve. So for the body, it's a free, it's a dansiki which is always free. So you have to determine how big you want yours to be. Um, maybe you can see what I just did there. So I'm thinking of making the sleeve longer. So that's what I'm trying to do there. Yeah. Yes. That's about that. So you do the neck very well. I don't want the neck to be wide, so I want it firm. That's why be careful of what you use. Yeah, that's about that.